Welcome to the School of Wordcraft and Worldmancy. This is Feedback Frenzy.
Hello everyone and welcome to another Worldcraft and Worldmancy Submit Saturday. I'm WriterGreg and here is where we review 1,500 words of fiction or a world building article that has been submitted at wgc.bz/submit. Here we have a different kind. We have poetry from EliKwake's, also known as Tempest, here on Twitch. So we are going to go ahead and read poetry. I am not a poet, but hopefully, Zoom 200. Hopefully, I hope to be able to bring some good help to this, or just I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if you should care. I don't know if I should do this. If I should bow my head in prayer. Ever since I was a child, I've been lost and lonely.
Great job, sprinters. It's time to rest.
Marchers, keep going.
And I can't help but wonder if you were once like me. This is a pagan's prayer. Once I told you I was leaving, and I said the reason why. I was tired then of trying and the way your people lie, but I never asked your feeling. If you wanted me to stay, and I never thought to wonder if it was your words that they say. Since I left, I've been wandering from the path you set me on, and in case you ever wondered, I'm still glad that I'm gone. I won't lie and say I miss you. There were reasons I could leave. It's more to do with me now, and what I can or can't believe. Once I was the lost and lonely, and I trusted in your care. Now I stand outside your shadow, and I grow much better there. It's not something that you're doing, or it's not something that you've done. It's just I was born to leave you, and I'm not the only one. But now and again I miss you, and I miss who I had been. While I stayed, though, I was losing, and sometimes these days I win. Even though your people hate me and my lack of dread for you, you are never one for fearing with the kindness that you do. I'm not certain why I'm here now, why I felt the need to pray. I'm a different sort of person than the one who went away. But I wanted still to tell you that you never were to blame. It's your people who I hated. It's your people who need shame. I'm not sorry that I left you. I needed room to grow. But I should have said the reason, and I should have let you know. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if you should care. But when I was lost and lonely, you were, and still are, always there. Wow. That's powerful. Wow. Yes, poetry is one of your things, Tempest. Yes. Now I don't know if this is in a specific meter, or if it's a consistent meter that could be put to a song, or if that could be put into music. I don't know if I would, though. It was oh, wow. It breaks my heart when you said, some of the lines that break my heart, the your people, it's even though your people hate me and my lack of dread for you. You were never one for fearing, with the kindness that you'd do. Yeah. See, that as a pious, God-fearing, devout believer in my faith, it does hurt me to think that ever anyone could feel that way, and it would absolutely kill me, that figuratively, if someone left because of me. If my efforts to live what I believe is my best life, according to the principles I believe God has given me to live, if my actions caused someone to leave, that would just tear my heart out. But I know people who have left my faith, and I know people of no faith, and
Only 10 minutes left, everyone.
but
Let's squeeze out the words.
I really should turn those off. But I really like this. Yeah. Oh no, and I don't take any offense about this. I'm just saying that I love this poem because it helps me understand better. Whether it be you better or a person in this situation better, I really appreciate this poem because it evokes emotions within me. And if it may not be the emotions of others. Like, wow, I relate. I love the lines about, while I stayed though I was losing, and sometimes these days I win. Okay. Oh, all right, yeah, this one. Now I stand outside your shadow, and I grow much better there. See, that's really interesting because, I moved away from my parents and my wife's parents, and we spent 9 years living in Southern California, and I wouldn't trade that time because outside of my parents' shadow, outside of the cultural norms of Utah, I did grow much better there. I can relate with that sentiment. Now, do I believe that one should live their life outside of the shadow of a loving God? No, but that's my personal opinion, and I'm not going to force anyone to go to church or anything like that. But I love the reality of it. I love that, this last stanza. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if you should care, but when I was lost and lonely, you were, and still are, always there. Oh, I love that. That, there's still that spark of, you know what? Thanks. Glad to have known you. And I hope you're doing okay. I love that vibe that I'm getting here from a pagan's prayer, where, yeah, we may have gone our separate ways, but it was nice to know you. Hope you're doing good. It's almost like breaking up with an ex. You know what? It was fun while it lasted. It was good to meet you. I'm glad we're not together, but I hope you're doing well. And that communication between a pagan and capital G God in the traditional Judeo-Christian sense. But yeah, this is beautiful. I mean, as the most stereotypical cisgendered white middle-aged wasp, devout Christian believer, what a wonderful poem. What wonderful words. I think a beautiful message. It's okay to check in every once in a while. Yeah, it's. Thank you so much. This is one of those times where I offer no critique. I offer no suggestions. I offer nothing except for thank you for sharing your art with me and with everyone who watches this. Oh, the power of words, the power of art. Wow. Oop. And with that, I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this feedback frenzy. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. WriterGreg offers coaching sessions to help bring your world to life, create compelling stories, and accomplish your creative goals. Please visit wgc.bz/coaching for more details.